Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate payment processing with BitPay, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate payment processing with BitPay, start by creating a BitPay account. Visit the BitPay website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address, password, and business information. Confirm your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. Once your account is verified, log in to your BitPay dashboard. Navigate to the settings section to set up your business profile. Complete all required fields to ensure accurate payment processing. Next, proceed to the API tokens section to generate an API key. Click on Create Token and select the required permissions for your integration. Copy the generated API key and store it securely. Now, integrate BitPay with your e-commerce or invoicing platform. Check the documentation for your specific platform to find integration instructions. Install any necessary plugins or add-ons provided by BitPay. Configure the BitPay settings within your platform according to your preferences. Test your integration by making a small payment transaction through your website. Verify that the transaction appears in your BitPay dashboard. For advanced automation, set up webhooks to receive real-time notifications for payment status updates. In your BitPay account, navigate to the webhooks section. Add a new webhook URL where you want to receive notifications. Ensure your server can handle incoming webhook requests securely. Finally, refine your payment processing by reviewing transaction fees and settling options. Monitor the performance of your payment processing regularly to optimize efficiency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.